Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me, your random dude, and today, I think baka isa lang yung video na gawin ko kasi meron pang ibang dapat gawin. So, I decided, just because we can't get enough of our baby boy Darren, and kahapon marami naman ako na-upload So, today, it's going to be for baby boy Darren. And also, medyo matagal na rin yung last upload natin kay Mori. I think 2 weeks ago bago pa ako umalis. So, hey Mori! Kumakaway yun. Akala mo nakikita tayo. So, let's go guys! Ay, by the way, credits to the uploader. Diyos ko po, ang hirap basahin. Fritixki Fernando. So, Darren and Mori in Melbourne. Chandelier. Chan talaga. Chandelier. Nice start. Nagulat ako dun sa tumatakbo. Wait lang. Nice. Gusto ko lang sabihin na binata na dito si Baby Boy. Kailan to? Last year lang, July 28, 2018. Nice. See, I'm the one who gets how cold fire's blown up in my doorbell. I feel the love, I feel the love. Nice. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Falling back till I lose count. Wow! Wow! Hindi ko in-expect na ganun yung yung mga audience. Wait lang. Comment lang dun sa first duet nila. I think medyo malakas lang yung boses ni Darren. Pag nahinaan ng konti yun, ganda na nun. Ganda ng timbre. Keep my glass full until morning light, 'cause I'm just holding on for tonight, Sun is up, I'm a mess, gotta get up now, gotta run from this, here comes the shame. Ganda ng timbre ni Darren sa mga ganito. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throwing back till I lose count. I'm gonna swing on the chandelier. Nice. On the chandelier. Nice. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist. Nice. Like it doesn't exist. Wow. Gusto ko lang sabihin na this is so much better than dun sa unang chorus ba yun? Unang chorus siguro nung una nagkakapaan, pero dito swabing-swabe na yung sabay nila. Ganda rin ng timbre ni Mori. Nice. I like it. Yun na. Nice. nila parehas. Nice, ganda ng kulot. I like it. Miss Morissette, Amon, and Darren Espan. Gusto ko lang malaman guys, kaninong concert talaga to? Wala kasing walang nakalagay sa description. Pero anyway, regardless kung kaninong concert to, ang galing. First time kong narinig na magkasama si Bebe Boy and si Mori sa isang production number, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Oh, first time ko nga ata itong makita sila together. And surprisingly, dun lang ako medyo sa first part ng chorus na parang, oh, kasi masyadong malakas yung boses ni Darren. Pero nung sa pangalawa and until dun sa last, ang sarap sa tenga. Parang para siguro nagkapaan lang sila pero doon sa bandang huli, gitna, pahuli, lahat smooth, ang ganda na ng harmony, ng melody, pati yung volume nila parehas is swak na para doon sa kanta kaya walang overpowered, walang walang sapawan and overall I liked it. Nice. So, ano pa ba? I think, kung may nakalimutan na ako sabihin, I'm sorry. Pero, Mori, it's always nice to see you dito sa channel ko. And, of course, kasama rin si Baby Boy Darren. It's something new. So, guys, until next time, see you again. Peace out. Bye-bye.